Hello everyone, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. I'm here with my today's interesting topic, and the topic is Urdu versus English of past continuous tense. The helping verbs for past continuous tense are was and were. Was is used with singular subjects and were is used with plural subjects. Sentence structure of this tense is subject plus helping verb, that is was or were, plus verb ing plus object. The Urdu identification of this tense is this, that at the end of Urdu sentences we have raha tha, rahe the, rahi thi. I hope up till now this tense is already studied and understood by all of you. Let me start the translation of Urdu sentences into English, and the very first example is wo tez daud raha tha. First of all, analyze the sentence that at the end of this sentence we have raha tha. That tells us that this is past continuous tense. The action was continued in the past for some period of time. The English translation is he was running fast. तुम कहानी सुना रहे थे. You were telling a story. वो अपनी गाड़ी बेच रहे थे. They were selling their car. वो बुरी तरह रो रही थी. She was weeping bitterly. हम गहरी नींद सो रहे थे. We were sleeping soundly. बच्चे शोर मचा रहे थे. Children were making noise. कुछ लड़के सूखे पत्ते इकट्ठे कर रहे थे. Some boys were collecting dry leaves. उसका भाई मिल में काम कर रहा था. His brother was working in a mill. मेरे वालिद साहब अपने दोस्तों का इंतज़ार कर रहे थे. My father was waiting for his friends. सुबह बारिश हो रही थी. It was raining in the morning. लोग पतंगे उड़ा रहे थे. People were flying kites. बूढ़ा आदमी कमरे में ऊँग रहा था. The old man was dozing in the room. हम दोपहर के वक्त खबरें सुन रहे थे. We were listening to the news at noon. Now negative sentences. चपरासी घंटी नहीं बजा रहा था. The peon was not ringing the bell. अमीर आदमी गरीब को भीख नहीं दे रहा था. The rich man was not giving alms to the poor. लड़का सवाल हल नहीं कर रहा था. The boy was not solving the sum. हम एक साथ सफ़र नहीं कर रहे थे. We were not traveling together. उस्ताद साहब हमें अंग्रेज़ी नहीं पढ़ा रहे थे. The teacher was not teaching us English. Next sentence is मैं पैदल नहीं चल रहा था. I was not going on foot. वो झूठे वादे नहीं कर रहे थे. They were not making false promises. वो तैरकर दरिया पार नहीं कर रहे थे. They were not swimming across the river. ताजिर वापस घर नहीं आ रहा था. The merchant was not coming back home. Now interrogative sentences. क्या वो खेलों में हिस्सा ले रहा था? Was he taking part in the games? क्या आप सर्दी से कांप रहे थे? This is question. Were you shivering with cold? क्या गरीब बच्ची चीख रही थी? Was the poor girl shouting? क्या मुसाफिर घोड़ों पर सवारी कर रहे थे? Were the travelers riding the horses? क्या वो शहर को खूबसूरत बना रहे थे? Were they making the city beautiful? वो क्यों पैदल चल रहे थे? Why were they walking on foot? तुम इधर उधर कहाँ फिर रहे थे? Where were you roaming about? मैं आसमान की तरफ कब देख रहा था? When was I looking at the sky? वो तस्वीर कैसे बना रहा था? How was he making a picture? क्या दोनों खिलाड़ी गेंद के पीछे भाग रहे थे? Were both the players running after the ball? So this was all about past continuous tense Urdu versus English. Just try to sort out different sentences for you and translate them into English for your own understanding. Now it's time for a quiz. Let me give you some statements. And the very first statement is आपके बारे में कौन पूछ रहा था? वो जंगल से गुजर रहे थे. शेर पानी नहीं पी रहा था. क्या तुम्हारा भाई खत लिख रहा था? Now take your test and answer the statements. I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.